All right.
Him, you know?
Okay, at the meet we got this one, we got that one. A lot of Ford Escapes for some reason. I don't know why. And then we got this Corolla, driven by Gear. And then we got the BRZ, driven by Blitz. And then we got this guy who drives a Tacoma, so he's gonna be riding with me.
It's pretty cold right now, so.
Tacoma lives don't matter. We're trying to figure out where we're gonna drive.
Either gonna hit the back roads or hit the highway.
Yeah. What do you think? Back roads or highway?
I say back roads.
Back roads?
That's what I like.
We need to do
If he doesn't want to hit back roads, we just hit highway.
We need to do the
You can find other roads.
Ferrari route, but during the day.
Not at night.
You want to tell them what's done to your car real quick?
No.
Just the basic mods? Okay, Herm, you know what's done. You want to tell them what's done to the Corolla?
So these really expensive.
Right here, tow hook.
Best mod on the car.
We got the tow hooks and the rigid.
I'm gonna flip it up so that he gets better gas mileage.
Better gas mileage.
Oh, actually, another one. This is very illegal. Very illegal. Front plate leaner.
Leaner? Front plate leaner?
It pushes the front plate down so you can't see it on toll roads.
Okay.
Yeah, because he doesn't want to pay the 28 cents for a toll road.
All right.
You got the peaker stickers along with the Corolla.
All right, so we know where we're gonna hit up yet or no?
Hit the back roads.
Back roads?
As long as you don't think it won't be too many cops out there.
Nah, we're fine.
I mean, all the cops are kind of right here. They.
I mean, we can make them occupied, just start revving and just leave.
Nah, I'm good.
As long as we're.
We just ran Cielo Vista. It was Blitz's first time on there in the new car. He's still learning stick too, so that was fun. But we had Gear leading. And then we got Blitz, and then we had me and Herm. All right, so what'd you think about it?
It was fun, man.
Yeah?
It was fun. It had some tight turns, but it was fun.
Yeah, once.
Here's like a wrap.
Bro, I want to hear this thing from you. I haven't got to hear anybody like drive it, dude.
Do you want me to like drive right here real quick?
Don't. It might. So don't rev out. Only go if you're gonna rev it out. Only go to like 4, and then don't like quick shift it. Like you gotta shift it slow.
Shift to slow. All right. Driving the Corolla. So smooth. The shifts like butter.
No.
So smooth. I was really surprised.
Nah, dude, if you're gonna buy an exhaust, do cat back. Don't get an axle back. No.
Definitely don't do an axle back. It is not worth your money.
It's not worth you might as well double your money and get a cat back.
You might as well chop the whole thing off.
Seriously, if you can
should
find
just do that.
videos,
See
you're
how
usually single tip,
how it
you
sounds.
like a great. So we'll go back to San Antonio. We'll go down 10, and we'll stay on the call and decide where we want to go.
We got Blitz, we got me, we got Gear, we got Nick. Everyone's here. Okay, this is the technique. One knee down. You gotta put it on the strap for safety. I hope these pictures come out way better than what I'm seeing on here.
They should, hopefully. I'm gonna give it some more light.
I know we got.
Security comes around again. Let's see if we get shit.
I hope they do. I need some content. The camera's getting bored looking at Herm getting on his knees.
I feel like we just better off doing pictures of the USA. So down that
Dude, those wheels are like pretty dope for being stock.
They're dirty though. You clean them.
Bro, whenever I go my ground place, I'll put the... Next time the black hatch is coming, dude, and he can park on the other side, so we go gray, blues, black. Bro.
Ooh.
I don't really care. The meet's at Alma Ranch?
You think there's anything there?
Yeah, there's gotta be something.
It's one thing cool at least.
Alright, let's go. Dude, I'm pulling for you. Let's go eat Chipotle.